Hi, I'm Amandeep Singh from Ati Motors. I work at Ati Motors as General Manager Sales, India and Asia Pacific. Ati Motors, we manufacture AMRs, autonomous mobile robots. For various applications, we have tuggers, which starts from 1.5 ton, 3 ton, and it can do tugging of up to 4.2 tons. Then we have a pallet mover for 1 ton and 1.5 ton applications. Along with that, I have a lifter 500 kg and for 1000 kg weight. Well, we are based out of Bangalore and we operate out of India, Thailand, USA and Mexico. We have our successful deployments in multiple companies which are like Daimler, Yokohama Tires, TVS Motors, TVS Tires, Seat. So in US, Coastal, Airbus, Harley Davidson, Brose, Pirelli Tires. We are global partners for Bosch and Schneider. So that's about us. Please join us in this journey of AMRs and help us move the material for you. Thank you so much.